Hey guys, I am so glad you joined me, you beautiful people. Today's episode is about cleaning, decluttering, and styling this living room in a therapeutic way. Let's slow down together and enjoy this living room refresh. I think it's only now that I've bought a home and had a baby that I really understand what the purpose of a living room is. It's a gathering place for friends, somewhere to hang out and watch TV. It's a guest room when the rest of your rooms are filled with visiting family. It's a makeshift nursery, a conference room, a hair salon, a dining room, a playroom, a place to laugh really loud, a quiet place to curl up with a book, a place to be alone with your thoughts under a comfy blanket, and a place to get closer to those closest to you. Because the living room is used for so many things, it matters what you put in the space. It has to serve dual purposes, and it needs to stand up to all of the living you're going to do. A sturdy couch in case the kids jump on it, fabrics that don't stain easily, a coffee table that doesn't quit just because there's a spilled glass of wine, floors that hide most of your secrets, and a rug that lies. Sorry, I couldn't help it. This living room is definitely Japandi. Lots of white on the walls, but it's grounded by all of the natural colored furniture and flooring. The darker wood tones found in the acacia and walnut, as well as the dark blues, greens, dark grays, and black, all found in nature. If I were to describe this living room, I'd say it's modern Japandi because of that touch of industrial echoing throughout. We chose a down-filled sofa to provide comfortability and matching storage ottoman which provides flexibility in that you can move it around or put it up against the sofa to take a nap. We layered the rugs underneath which creates depth and grounds the space. The mid-century modern walnut upholstered chairs complement the varying tones in acacia engineered hardwood flooring. We painted the walls Chantilly Lace White by Benjamin Moore, which is a very stark white because we wanted to allow the floors to shine and be as warm as they want to be. On the chair wall, we've got a tonal textured painting, all white to echo the walls, while on the opposite wall we've got a blue forest painting to echo the varying colors in the books, the rugs, and throw pillows. Both the green plaid merino wool and light periwinkle throw blankets add a touch of elegance and warmth and coziness to the space. The shelving adds lots of style but also blend in because they're all white, so they're similar but very different. The tallest shelving unit is industrial but has touches of homey accents within it, such as the natural water hyacinth storage baskets made in Vietnam, a wooden garland, and other personal touches to make the living room look cohesive. I love an industrial vibe, but this is a townhouse that was built in the 70s, so I didn't want it to lean too industrial to match the era of the home. What do you like best about this space? And what video would you like to see me do next? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, it tells me you want to see more. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you're the first one notified when I post a new video every Friday. Today was lovely, love you all, and I'll see you in the next episode.